Hello students, welcome to my next video. The subject is Business Research Methods MCQs Part 6 MCQs with Answers. Today we will try to solve question number 126 to 150. We will directly go to the first question. If the population is dash, then the web-based or via mail questionnaire is more useful. The options are spread across, scattered, widen and broaden. Students can pause the video and they can think of answers and we will check these answers in my next slide. So correct answer for this question is scattered. So if the population is scattered, then the web-based or via mail questionnaire is more useful. Next question. A questionnaire should be prepared in a manner that is dash precise and easy to comprehend. The options are clear, lengthy, complex, in-depth. And the correct answer is clear. A questionnaire should be prepared in a manner that is clear, precise, and easy to comprehend. Next question. Each question in a questionnaire must lead to a dash one, previous one, nothing, subsequent one, and all of the above. And the correct answer is subsequent one. Each question in a questionnaire must lead to a subsequent one. Next question. Case study method is collection of information of dash of an individual, whether it is social life, professional life, educational life, or personal life. The correct answer is case study method is a collection of information of personal life of an individual or individual organization. Moving on, in this type of observation, the identity of the researcher and purpose of the study is known to the respondent is called as dash, whether it is open observation, structured observation, hidden or covert observation. The correct answer, open observation. So in open observation, the identity of the researcher and purpose of the study is known to the respondent. Next question, the time duration for FGD, that is focus group, should not exceed more than dash. The options are 1.5 hours, 1 hour, 45 minutes and 30 minutes. And the correct answer is the time duration in focus group discussion should not exceed more than 1.5 hours. Next question. In a questionnaire, the researcher frames only questions, leaving it to the respondent's own words to be filled in is known as dash. The options are subjective type questions, open-ended questions, objective type questions, and close-ended questions. And the correct answer is open-ended questions. So in open-ended questions, researcher frames only questions, leaving it to the respondent's own words to be filled. That is open-ended question. Next question. In this type of question, responses are restricted with only two options. Such type of questions are known as, the options are multiple choice questions, scales, dichotomous questions, and none of the above. The correct answer is, in this type of questions, responses are limited to only two options. So when there are only two options given, then it is dichotomous question. Next question, measurement is dash. Read the options carefully. Any time numbers are used. The use of numbers to represent concepts. The primary concern of the statistical power and all of the above. The correct option is measurement is all of the above. That is, it is any number are used. The use of numbers to represent concepts. The primary concern of statistical power. Next question. Dash is the process of placing the respondents on a continuum with respect to their attitude towards a certain object. The options are measurement, scaling, sampling, and none of the above. The correct answer is scaling is the process of placing the respondent on a continuum with respect to their attitude towards certain object. Next question. When a dash scale is used for the purpose of identification, there is a strict one-to-one correspondence between the numbers and the objects. So that scale is whether it is a nominal, ordinal, interval or ratio scale. And the correct answer is nominal. When a nominal scale is used for the purpose of identification, there is a strict one-to-one correspondence between the numbers and the objects. Moving on, the ranking of a teams in a tournament consisting a dash scale. Options are nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. The correct answer is the ranking of a team in a tournament consists of the ordinal scale. Next question. In business research, attitudinal data obtained from the rating scales are often treated as dash data. Again, the options are nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. And the correct answer is in business research, attitudinal data obtained from the rating scales are often treated as interval data. Moving on, in a business, sales, cost, market share, and number of customers are variables measured on a dash scale. The options are nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. The correct answer is it is a ratio scale. So number of in a business, sales, cost, market share, etc., and the number of customers, etc., are variables measured on a ratio scale. Next question. Which among the following is not a criteria for evaluating a survey instrument? The options are validity, practicability, reliability, and continuity. The correct answer is continuity. This is the not criteria for evaluating a survey instrument. Next question. Dash is the extent to which a test measures the intended variable. The options are sensitivity, reliability, validity, and practicality. The correct answer is validity is the extent to which a test measures the intended variable. Next question. Dash is related to accuracy and precision of the measurement procedure. The options are reliability, validity, sensitivity, and continuity. The correct answer is reliability is related to accuracy and precision of the measurement procedure. Moving on, the measurement error is dash, and there are four options. The difference between instrumental error and environmental error. B option is the difference between observational error and theoretical error. Option C, difference between actual value and measured value. And last option, the difference between instrumental error and observational error. So what is measurement error? And the correct answer is the measurement error is the difference between actual value and the measured value. Next question, dash refers to whether study can be replicated or not. The options are external validity, internal validity, utility, and dependability. The correct answer is internal validity. Internal validity refers to whether a study can be replicated or not. Next question, dash refers to an individual's general feelings or emotions towards an object. The options are affective component, cognitive component, behavioral component, attractive component. The correct answer is affective component refers to an individual's general feelings or emotions towards an object. Next question, dash is an individual feeling about a person, product, or an object which is usually linked with the individual's beliefs and cognition. The options are behavioral component, affective component, cognitive component, and none of the above. The correct answer is cognitive component is an individual feeling about a person, product, or an object, which is usually linked with individuals' beliefs and cognition. Next question. Dash helps to determine the comparison and order among two or more properties or objects. The options are rating, sorting, choosing, and ranking. The correct answer is ranking. Ranking helps to determine the comparison and order among two or more properties or characteristics or objects. Next question. Scale, in which respondents score an object without making a direct comparison to another object or attitude. This scale is called as ranking scale, rating scale, graphic scale, or sorting scale. And the correct answer is rating scale. So rating scale is a scale in which respondent scores an object without making a direct comparison or another object or attitude. Next question. Dash is commonly used to measure attributes of products and services as well as preferences for brands. The options are continuous rating scaling, rank order scaling, paired comparison scale, and transitivity of preference. And the correct answer is rank order scaling. Rank order scaling is commonly used to measure attributes of products and services as well as preferences for brands. Here, rank order scaling is used. Next simple question. A survey instrument having more number of items is more sensitive than a single item scale. This statement, whether it is true or false, so you have to choose one option, and the correct answer is this statement is true. A survey instrument having more number of items is more sensitive than a single item scale. What is next? In my next video, we will see business research methods MCQs with answers part 7. Here we will try to solve question number 151 to 175. Till then, keep thinking, keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell icon for further notifications. I wish you best of luck for your examination. These are some references I have used for preparing this video. Thank you.